Hi everyone, it's Kathy from Burgess Stamping and Planning, and today we are going to be planning the first week of September in my B6 Common Planner. This is my catch-all, everything goes in here. This replaced my bullet journal. I mentioned in my other video that I had been bullet journaling for about, I would say about 7 years, and then it really came to the point where I needed an actual calendar. I needed to advance plan in a way that I couldn't do in a bullet journal. So this is the academic year Common Planner. It is a vertical. And then today I'm going to show, I get kits for this planner from Mandy Lynn Plans. And it's the only place I found online that does B6 kits. I order the bundle. So as you can see, I've already used the monthly for September. And what the bundle comes with, it comes with the monthly, everything you need to set up your monthly, plus a dashboard, which I'm going to be doing in the end of my planner, mini calendars, and then enough for 4 weeklies in different styles. So this is the apple picking. It's the same style as the monthly, and it comes with the washi, sorry, I'm off camera, washi tape, the functional, and the scripts. And then this is the next design. And then I don't remember the names, I'm sorry. Same, to get 3 sheets of each design. And then this is this pretty teal one, and I think we're gonna do this one for the first week of September because I'm not quite ready for fall yet. So this is still a little bit of summery vibe, so we're gonna use that. Just get my extra pieces off to the side here. And then let me move this here. Now this is the first time I've done this on camera. I don't know if my head's going to be in the shot. Sometimes it's a little tricky to lay some of these down. And I've already, this is what it looks like with nothing on. This is a vertical planner. It's got a Monday start, a mini calendar. The week is numbered. It goes from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. Now, perfectly functional as it is. You don't need a kit. But I find that it's easier for me to see important events if I use a kit and have those in bright color. Now, I don't know if you can tell, this is getting pretty chunky already, and I just started using this in June and beginning of July. So I don't know if I'm going to keep doing my weeklies. I might just keep doing the monthlies. We'll see. So first I'm going to start by turning it around, and we are going to lay down our date strips, and they have the numbers here. I'm just going to do the first row so you don't have to watch me put numbers down. Actually, it would be helpful if I was actually on camera, if I didn't pull it off. This is also the first video I'm trying to do while sitting down instead of standing up, because I enjoy decorating, but I don't want to be standing up while I'm doing it. So this is, we'll do and we'll just do the rest. It's not that much. It's not like I'm redating an entire calendar. So, and then as I'm doing this, I realized I forgot to I have my holiday scripts, so to put Labor Day on Monday, but I'll do that later. Knew I needed something else. The kit it does say Labor Day, but I use that on the monthly for it has the holidays listed on the monthly kit. And I like just to mark it again on the weeklies. Okay, so we'll do this side first, and this is where I might get my head in the shot a little bit. Let's see. The best thing I find is just to line it up with a little line over here, and once, like I keep saying, if I don't get it straight, it's okay. But also what's nice is these stickers are removable, so you can pull them up if you mess up. So I'm going to put the second set of dates, and I'm actually doing not bad. Maybe being on camera is helping. I usually get these crooked the first time I try, so that's pretty good. Okay, so then what do? I use the washi to block off the beginning and the end. At the top I use it to list my steps for the day, and on the bottom I use it to meal plan. So I think I'm gonna pick this little print up here for the top. Now make sure I get the right one. No. This kit also comes with its split, so if you wanted to go all the way across, you can. I don't, so we'll just use this half here for this side. And once again, I gotta turn it. I will put this, there's 2 grid spaces, and I will put that because I don't usually have anything at 6 a.m., although that's going to change because Friday my son's school bus will be coming at 6:30 in the morning, so maybe I will need to start redoing how I do my weeklies to indicate that, or maybe I'll just know that he has to be there. Of course, I got this one crooked, but once again, it peels up quite nice. It doesn't make the paper rip. I've very rarely had any of Mandy Lynn's kits cause any ripping or anything like that, and if so, it's always been my user error. I will use the thicker washi, I think, for the bottom. I like the pattern quite a bit. And then once again, I leave 2 because I am usually in bed way before midnight, so no reason to have those times. Oh, okay. Try this one more time. Okay. And then we will use the other side for over here. Now, I am not sponsored by anyone. I have no affiliate links yet. Once again, I'm not sure what this channel is going to be. If you like the Plan With Me's, we'll keep doing those. Okay. So I think it is time for some functional. So let's do what I do for the functional. So over up here, I usually will cover this 9 decoratively, something pretty. I'll use this one here. And there's nothing like being on camera to make sure you can't lay a sticker down straight. And then I will use the This Week sticker up here. And then I'll use 2. I love her bullet points. I like that. I don't know why, but there's something about the design that makes me want to check them off. So I line this one at the top grid here. And usually I will highlight the week it is with one of my Tombos. And then here I will put another box. And this is where I do my grocery list. So anything that comes up during the week, I just jot it down here, so I remember to pick it up when we go to the grocery store on the weekend. Once again, I'm worried I'm off camera, so I'm going to put... I use the tweezers for the really, really tiny stickers, but sometimes it's easier to lay them down without the tweezers. Once again, I'm trying. If you hear the noise in the background, it is my air conditioning unit. I didn't think it was going to get picked up because I have this microphone on, but apparently in the last video it did. And I'm filming literally, it's right over there, the air conditioning unit. So over here, I just put the currently reading sticker because I like to mark what I'm reading this week. And probably still reading the book I'm reading right now, which is The Night and the Moth. I picked it up at Barnes & Noble's as an impulse read. I've just started. I'm just a couple chapters in, so I can't say what I think of it yet. I'm going to put the Hello Weekend banner up here. And then I use these bullet points to mark my meals on the bottom. I just want to make sure I'm still in frame. I alternate the colors. I really like this teal kit. It's not what you would think of as a September kit. I'm sure by the end of the first week I'll be eager to go into my stash of pretty fall stickers, and but it's nice to have one last week where things are bright and colorful, and the trees are not dead yet. So, and then just a couple more. These stickers are white matte, but you also have the option to get them in clear or washi. I just like the white. I like being able to hide things with them for the most part. All right, so then we will use the sticker that says, I think it says meal prep. Of course, I can't find it. Let's see, meal prep right here to indicate the meals. And then on Monday, we have, it's Labor Day, so I don't have a sticker for that. Let's see. We do have, no, we don't have recycling this week because we had it last week. I do have an appointment. I have a doctor's appointment on Wednesday. And I have to, let's see, take my mother for a doctor's appointment on Friday. And I do have then my son's first day of school. So I don't have a first day of school sticker. I'd have to make one, I suppose. And let's see, I thought there was a no school sticker here. Oh, what's also nice, it is payday on this Friday, so that's good to know. Very neat. So that's a good start. I use a friction pen to fill things in, which is an erasable pen, and it makes it very easy to, when things are canceled or changed, to just erase it and change. And the stickers, of course, as I said, this one I believe is crooked, so I'll just pick it up again. They make it easy to remove and put down. So there we have, I think it's still crooked, but I'll deal with it later. This is how I plan out my weeks. I also do dailies. Let me know if you're interested in seeing those. Those are at the end. I don't do a page a day. I do half a page a day. I found I don't need a whole page. It might change as things go on. Let me know what you think. Thanks for sticking around this long, and continue to be creative. Bye.